Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will cover the topic past perfect continuous tense. What is the definition of past perfect continuous tense? The past perfect continuous progressive tense is used for an action that began before a certain point in the past and continued up to that time. Examples are: at that time he had been writing a novel for 2 months. When Mr. Abdur Rahman came to the university in 1995, Mr. Ali had already been teaching there for 5 years. Time reference is found in these sentences, which gives an idea that action has continued from some time. The important note for this sentence is if there is no time reference or sense of time reference, then it is not past perfect continuous tense, because there is no hint about the time of action when it started in past or continued for some time period. So it seems just an ongoing action in past which resembles past continuous tense. So the reference of time differentiates between past perfect continuous tense and past continuous tense. The rules are: helping verbs had been are used in sentence. First form of verb plus ing is used as main verb in sentence. Since or for is used before the time reference in sentence. If the reference is made to point of time such as 2002, 7 o'clock, then since is used before the time in sentence. If the reference is made to period of time such as 3 hours, 6 hours, 4 days, then for is used before the time in sentence. Structure of sentence: positive sentence structure is subject plus helping verb had been plus first form of verb with ing plus object and time reference, that could be since or for. Examples are: she had been writing a letter for 3 hours. He had been living here since 1999. Negative sentence structure is subject plus had not been, first form of verb plus ing, then object and time reference. Examples are: she had not been writing a letter for 3 hours. He had not been living here since 1999. For interrogative sentences, the sentence structure is helping verb before the sentence, then subject, then helping verb remaining part been, and first form of verb with ing, then object and time reference with question mark. Helping verb had is placed before the sentence or at the beginning of the sentence. Examples are: had she been writing a letter for 3 hours? Had he been living here since 1999? Where had he been working for 6 months? The words what, where, when, how, etc. will be used before had in such kinds of interrogative sentences. Helping verb had, then subject, then not, helping verb been, first form of verb ing, object and time reference. In past perfect continuous progressive tense, interrogative negative sentences starts with had, not is used after the subject. Had she not been singing for 10 years? Had we not been studying since 1 o'clock? These sentences are interrogative negative sentences, where interrogative sentence structure is also used and negative sentence structure is also used. Must put question mark in the end of interrogative and negative sentences. Examples of positive sentences are: he had been playing hockey for 2 hours. She had been cooking in this hotel for many months. They had been watching movie for many hours. We had been living here since 1998. You had been eating for 1 hour. I had been teaching since 2002. For negative sentences, the examples are: he had not been playing hockey for 2 hours. It had not been raining since morning. They had not been watching movies for many hours. We had not been living here since 1998. You had not been eating for 1 hour. I had not been teaching since 2002. And interrogative sentences are: had he been playing hockey for 2 hours, and at the end we will put question mark. Had she been cooking in this hotel for many months? Had it been raining since morning? Had he been living here since 1998? Had I been teaching since 2002? How had he been dancing for many hours? Examples of interrogative negative sentences: had she not been cooking in this hotel for many months? Had I not been sleeping from morning to evening? Had we not been traveling for 10 hours from 6 a.m. to 4 p.m.? Had you not been eating for 1 hour? Had they not been watching movies for many hours? Had it not been raining since morning? And all these sentences had question mark at the end. Thank you.